To prepare the vanilla cake, combine all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl. This includes a quarter cup of flour, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, one tablespoon of white vinegar, three tablespoons of applesauce, a half of a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Once they're combined in the bowl, whisk these ingredients vigorously in the mixing bowl. Next, crack a large egg and add to the mixture, whisking quickly. Spray a microwavable bowl with cooking spray and pour in the mixture. Put the microwavable bowl in the microwave and microwave it on high for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove the cake and let it sit for several minutes.